The A4, which was formerly a coupe, has not been replaced by the new A5 sedan from Audi. There are now saloon and estate versions of the A5 available. In the video, the Audi S51 and A5 sedan are shown off. The S5 has inlays in the front grille and a honeycomb structure in the lower half. There is an optional black package available for the S5. Usually found in sporty cars, the hood is incorporated throughout the entire front area. Along with its horizontal design, the S5 comes with 3 distinct trim options: LED, LED+, and Matrix LED. The hood is incorporated into the entire front section of the automobile, giving it a hatchback-like appearance. The next generation, A5, a brand new automobile with an entirely new platform for an internal combustion engine vehicle, is built on Audi's premium platform combustion short PPC. The model is more ruminant due to the divide between the internal combustion engine platform and the electric platform that uses the PPC. The modern interior design features Audi-inspired lines, forms, and textures. The rear hunches of the vehicle are modeled after the former RS4S rally car, and it has a curved infotainment and digital driver's display similar to a BMW. With its distinctive style and remarkable features, the A5 is anticipated to be a fantastic addition to Audi's lineup. The first model with a combustion engine based on Audi's new electronic architecture, the Audi A5, was unveiled by BMW as an electric car. The new design has an athletic and sporty exterior, and the internal combustion engine models, A5 is an internal combustion engine, A7 and A3 are internal combustion engines, and A4 is an electric engine, now have odd numbers. The A5 is bigger than both the A4 and its predecessor. The first vehicle with a combustion engine based on Audi's new electronic architecture, the A5, was unveiled by BMW. The A5 is not a moderate hybrid, it is an electric car. The A5's sporty and athletic exterior is a crucial component of the new design, which replaces the A4. With the exception of the A4 electric engine, the interior combustion engine models are now odd numbers: A5 internal combustion engine, A7 and A3 internal combustion engine, and so on. The A5 boasts more dimensions and is bigger than its predecessor. A long wheelbase, massive wheels, and long bonnet-flared fenders are characteristics of the Audi A5 and S5 models that capture the sporting essence of the company's design personality. Sculpted listers, which are neatly integrated elements like door handles and sensors, and an angled C-post that contrasts with the protruding rear fenders, are some of the car's external features. A major departure for Audi is the redesigned front architecture of the Audi S5, which includes a low and wide honeycomb grille. The Audi A5 and S5 also feature new digital lighting technologies, including digital OLED rear lights with a full-width LED light stripe and an active digital light signature. These lights allow the car to come alive and start breathing digitally, displaying different patterns like a breath. The tail lights display different patterns, allowing the car to communicate with other cars and warn situations. The grilles have been made bigger and deeper, taking up the entire front of the car. The air intakes at the side are flanked by slim and Audi-designed headlights. The Audi A5 also incorporates Matrix LED headlights and the next-generation digital OLED taillights, which may automatically alert drivers to slow down and hit hazards when slowing down in traffic. These unique features make the Audi A5 a pioneer in the automobile industry. Anticipated for release in the UK, Audi has unveiled a new interior design concept with a turtleneck design with a two-tone look. Only the RS3 variant is equipped with this capability. The rear tail lights provide a sharp lighting effect thanks to the Audi MMI panoramic display OLED technology. For Audi's infotainment system, this represents a major advancement. The Alltech RS7 is a lightweight, thin automobile that gives the impression of floating at night. It has an integrated MMI passenger display, an active privacy mode, and a digital stage on the passenger side. Additionally, the vehicle features a modern head-up display that makes it simple to access buttons for the climate control system and other features. In addition to displaying a wealth of information, the head-up display has a new audio technology that enhances voice control. But these programs don't offer as sophisticated a user experience as Siri or Google. The new A5 family, including the saloon and estate versions, is covered in the review. Due to its distinctive look and usefulness, the Estate is regarded as the best seller. With its short deck lighting, quick SE, and long-stretched roof, the sedan is the standout member of the A5 family. The Audi A5 is available with internal combustion engines, including a 2L four-cylinder petrol engine with 15 horsepower or 204 horsepower depending on the model. A 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is standard on all models, with the more powerful 24-horsepower car with Quattro all-wheel drive available with a manual gearbox option. The new 204-horsepower 2L diesel engine has a new mold hybrid system, which uses a motor inside the gearbox to drive the car independently at low speeds, reducing fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. The 204-horsepower M hybrid diesel with all-wheel drive is the fastest version of the standard A5, reaching 62 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds. The S5 has a 3L turbocharged V6 petrol engine with a mild hybrid system, producing a combined 367 horsepower, 26 more horsepower than the previous S4. It also comes with an automatic gearbox as standard and Quattro all-wheel drive, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. However, the BMW M340i is 1/10 of a second quicker from 0 to 62 miles per hour, making it difficult to compare over a standing quarter-mile drag race. Audi has decided to make the new A5 Saloon a hatchback with a lift-back tailgate, providing extra space for luggage. The new A5 boot can carry 445L of luggage with the back seats up, which is 15L less than the old A4 Saloon and 20L less than the old A5 Sportback. The car is almost 7 centimeters longer than the old A4, and the new hybrid battery takes up space into the boot floor. The A5 Avantis has 476L of space in its boot, 19L less than the old A4. The A5 hatchback can carry 1,299L of luggage, 334L more than the old A4 Saloon. However, the new A5 Estate is still less spacious than the old A4 Estate, with only 1,424L of stuff compared to the old car's 1,495L. This can be attributed to the mild hybrid tech. The new A5 Saloon is not just about speed, but also about practicality. Digital instruments, a head-up display, a driver's perspective camera, and an optional 20-speaker B&O sound system are all included in the Audi A4. The Android Automotive base has the largest screen in the vehicle, which improves responsiveness and speed. Users can rest their palm on a bar while clicking, and the climate unit is integrated. But as it could concurrently block fingers, this can be annoying. Although resting 3 fingers and clicking right is the best option, it might not be the best option overall. Given that their fingers could jam when clicking, the speaker isn't sure if this is the wisest course of action. The speaker is considering other solutions or suggestions for improving the car's features. August will mark the start of the new A5 sales, with delivery scheduled for November. Starting at $42,000, the base saloon or hatchback is more expensive than the State model, which costs about $2 million more. The S variant is an extra expense and starts at about £68,000 with everything included. Later on, more affordable S5 variants will be accessible. In addition to offering simple selling choices with dealers across the nation, the video includes additional details on the A5.